How to fix GCash app transaction limit exceeded. Let's open our GCash account. Make sure to log into your account. To check your account limit, just head to your profile by clicking this profile below. Then select this profile limits over here. Now you can see I have a 500,000 peso limit on my GCash account. You can get a higher limit by verifying your account first. This will need you valid IDs and a selfie. As you can see, I am already verified. If you're done verifying your GCash account, you can upgrade your limit with GCash Plus over here. Let's click this one. As you can see on this article, your transaction limit and withdrawal limit can reset within this time window. If you want to request for a higher transaction limit, you can contact them or talk to their virtual assistant by clicking this chat with Gigi. Just type in your concern, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.